This elevator's different, so we'll record this one too. It's a nice one.
Sorry, thank you for putting up with us.
Tolerating our elevator obsession.
Oh, there is a first floor. Oh no.
Wow,
This
first
is also
floor.
MontgomeryKONE.
Yep, but this one's MRL. It's EcoDisc.
Wait, I've never heard of a MontgomeryKONE MRL.
I mean, it sounds like an MRL.
It does.
Sounds exactly like an EcoDisc. Sounds like a monospace.
Dude, this might be a super early EcoDisc.
We'll take it back up to 3.
Yeah, I want to hear it. And then we'll go back down to 1, and then...
Yeah, it sounds like an EcoDisc. Yeah, exactly like an EcoDisc.
Dude, this is interesting.
I don't know.
I think this is a very early version of an MRL.
I like those fans.
I think this is a primitive MRL.
Before MRLs were like mainstream. I mean, there is Series 220 EcoSpace
There are.
elevators, but usually not with the Montgomery.
Sorry, I just wanted to get the startup on camera.
Do you want to hear that? All right. That's cool.
Yeah, that was
Huh.
interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, of course it chimes after I stopped. I don't know.
Oh well. It's too bad.
Do you guys like edit these at all? Or are you
Typically not.
just like
But it's usually